All right, let's see how fast we can do this. We're going to create a rolling text effect. I don't know if there's an official name for it or not, but we're gonna create this here in Adobe Premiere Pro. No After Effects, no templates, no nothing. Let's just go ahead and get started. I guess step one we should start with a text. We'll just call it rolling text. Bam. Let's center our text here. Next step here, let's go ahead and apply a transform effect. Oops. Transform. Looks like it's under the video effects, distort, transform. Let's go ahead and drag that down there. Let's see, position. I guess what we'll do is we'll actually have it start up. We'll do like 620. 1, 2, 3. We'll jump 3 frames forward. Do whatever you want with that. 5 frames forward. Whatever. I'm gonna do 3 frames forward. So now we have something like that. Let's give it a little motion blur, and we're gonna do that with the shutter angle. I'm just gonna, for dramatic effect here, make it 300. So now when it moves, we have a nice little motion blur to it. To keep it simple, we'll just do an opacity. So we'll create a keyframe for opacity. We'll go forward 3 frames, add another keyframe, then we'll jump back to the beginning, set our opacity to 0. All right, pretty cool. I'm gonna copy our keyframes here, jump to the end of our clip. We'll paste our keyframes here, reset that, 720, reset our opacity. Let's go to our end keyframe. Maybe we'll go down 820. Opacity 0. All right, let's see what we got so far. Cool, and then to really polish this up, let me zoom in here. Highlight our keyframes. You can barely see it there. I'll zoom in. Right click. We're gonna add a ease out. Highlight our next set of keyframes here, and we'll add a ease in. We'll get something like that, kind of smooth it out a little bit more. Now, I guess to add, not necessary, but it'll kind of help add a little effect here to it. We're gonna actually add another keyframe here. Just one frame to the left of our first ending keyframe. We're just gonna go 1 frame back, create a keyframe, and then we're gonna actually go to our second to last keyframe here on the position, and then we're gonna make it actually go up a little bit before it goes down. Great simple little effect that you can get by without having to use After Effects. Cool, I think that's it. I think that's the video, guys. Super simple effect here that you could probably use for outros, intros. Get creative with it, maybe add some sound effects to it. I hope it helped you guys out, give you some ideas, but cool. See you in the next video. Peace, peace.